This is the best way I've found to get live sports on your Amazon Fire Stick. Under the search icon, type in downloader, DOWN. Downloader pops right up. Click on the orange icon, get it, download it, install it. Head back to your home screen, and under the 3 squares plus sign, let's move these to the front. Go back to Downloader, 3-line button on your remote, move to the front. Downloader is going to be your new app store. Let's open up Downloader. This gives you the ability to sideload applications on your Fire Stick. Go up into the URL search term, and we are going to type in 7, 5, 3, 1, 2, 0. This is a shortcut to our website, ledbytheunknown.com. Once the 5-second redirect's done, use your 3-line button on your remote, add the current page to the favorites, and then you no longer have to worry about the 5-second redirect. Guys, check out the videos and applications available for the Fire TV Stick. Here's some movies and TV shows available, or here's some apps for free movies and TV shows. You click on an app like Pluto TV. Now we get to jailbreak our Amazon Fire TV Stick, so we can hit Settings. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload these applications onto your Fire Stick. Back out once, back out twice. Now we can hit Install. Do you want to install this application? Bottom right, yes, install. Once it's installed, hit Done. We do not want to open the application quite yet. Let's delete the downloaded file as we no longer need it on our Fire Stick. Now we can go back to the home screen. Now that Pluto TV is installed, head to the 3 squares plus sign. In Pluto TV, we can use the shortcut. In Pluto TV, we can use our 3-line button on our remote and move it up near the front. Now on our shortcut screen, or shortcut bar, we have Pluto TV. You click on it, open it, install it, enjoy. Once Pluto TV is loaded, we have live TV, free movies and TV shows, including sports. Enjoy. Peace.